If you want to run Android apps or games on your PC, LDPlayer is one of the easiest emulators to set up. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to download and install LDPlayer on Windows step by step in 2026. First, open your web browser and go to the official LDPlayer website. Make sure you download it only from the official source to avoid unsafe or modified files. Next, click the **download** button on the home page. The installer file will start downloading to your computer. Once the download is complete, locate the setup file in your Downloads folder and double-click it to start the installation process. Now Windows may ask for permission. Click Yes * to allow the installer to make changes to your device. After that, the LDPlayer setup window will open. Click Install Now * to begin the installation with default settings, or choose ** Customize * if you want to change the installation path. Wait for the installation to finish. This may take a few minutes depending on your system speed. Once installation is complete, click Start * or launch LDPlayer * to open the emulator for the first time. When LDPlayer opens, it may take a little time to load the initial setup. After that, you'll see the Android home screen inside the emulator. You can now sign in with your Google account to access the Play Store and start downloading apps or games. Finally, adjust performance settings like CPU, RAM, and resolution from the settings menu for smoother performance. And that's how to download and install LDPlayer on Windows. Yeah, once it's set up properly, you can easily run Android apps and games on your PC without any hassle. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next guide.